Let's go. Welcome everybody to the channel. I want to come to you with some Canton Network. Canton Network on a new day. It's been 2 hours and 7 minutes on the new day. Canton Network is up 0.82%. We're sitting at a price at 0.1519. I want to bring to your attention here, we got bullish patterns on the 1 hour chart. We got these bullish patterns set up everywhere. They're just coming out of everywhere. I want to bring it to your attention. We're in another W pattern right here. Well, we can see another breakout on Canton Network. Let me bring to your attention right here. We had this pattern right here. We went up, we're down, we come back up, went back all the way to the top up here. And that's what I want to bring to your attention. Broke above this resistance right here. It was resistance over here. We run up and we came back down, made a lower low, formed again, and went right back to the top. Got a rejection. Okay, now we're forming another one. Can we? And my question is, and as you can see right here, on these W patterns, we come down. Look at that volume when it spiked up, when it run up. Look at that volume right there. You see this volume right here? When you get this W patterns, watch for that spike in the volume, how it comes in there and it drives the price right on up. Went from 0.14868 all the way up to 0.15545. And right now we come back and tested this. We've tested this resistance right now. As you see right here, this red line, where we come up, we broke through it. So now we're coming back. We tested it, and now we kind of testing it twice. And what this is, we form another bullish pattern. So, wanted to bring it to your attention. We can get a break above this resistance right here. As we can see, we get past that. And to confirm this, we might be pushing right on up higher if we can, because once we get up here to the 1 at 0.15510, we get above here, and then our next area above the 1272, we got another area imbalance up here, resistance up here on the 1 hour chart. We need to looking if we can break above this 0.15299 with momentum, we could push up through here and get above this resistance area that we've hit twice. I do believe this time we can push up and get to the top of the range up here, somewhere above the 1.786 here at a price of 0.15832. Somewhere between the 1.786 and the 2 up here, hoping that we can push up and get up here with momentum. But we need to see this spike in volume like we did back here. On this W pattern, because we're forming the same W pattern over here right now. We went up and we come back, tested resistance. We went back up. We kind of tested it right there again, and we need to see this right here. So that's W pattern. That's a good setup right here on Canton Network, and I wanted to bring that to your attention. What Canton Network's trying to get, well, that's, let's see on the 4 hour chart. Trying to push our way back up to the top of the range over here. See, she came down and then she came over here and was trying to get back to the top of range up here if we can. And we keep this rally going with these alts. We're starting the day out a little in the red, but still, we had a good day yesterday. But I see this W pattern everywhere. I mean, everywhere on several alts. This W pattern here, and that's very bullish on the market, if you ask me. So continue to watch this, the market here, and watch. If you hold Canton Network, just keep an eye on it. Keep watching it. We could see this trend line. We could be moving up like this right here on this trend line. Just following this trend line right on back up like this. It's something what we may be doing. We had a good spike in volume here, and then we had a good spike volume right there. And we wicked our way up, but it was short-lived. We came back down. But like I say, these W patterns, you can still see it on the 4-hour chart. You got this one right here, and then that one, let me take that off. It was like this, and now you got this one right here. This one right here. So keep an eye on that for sure. Because we do need to break above this area up here. We need to get above the 786, above the 1 to confirm this breakout. So this is what we might do. We don't need to come back down here where we just come from. We need to keep consolidating, and maybe do something like this and get on up to the top of the range, ride this trend line all the way up here like we're going. So I wanted to come and give you an update on Canton Network. I said I'd give you a little bit of TA on it. Then let me take this off right here. Let's check this out. See, right now, let me take that off. I'm gonna take them off right now. Right now, we pushed our way above the 50, come back, tested it twice, and this time we might hit a area just and this 100-day sets right here, right below at 1545, right here where we've hit this resistance before. So if we can get above this 50, we could be headed up here to the 200-day moving average. And it's at 0.1589. But if we can get above the 100, stay above the 50, we're forming a W pattern on top of this. I'm telling you, I'm looking for us to push through the 100 and the 200 day. Look at this pattern right here. We got this, and now if we break above this 382 right here, we're going up. We are going up. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna push right. We're gonna go back above 16 cents. I'm telling you, we're gonna push above 16 cents. If this bullish momentum keeps coming, if we break out above this 382, we're going all the way up here to the 1, right under 16 cents. So keep a lookout for that. I do believe we're going to push above the 100 and the 200 on the 4-hour chart. So, wanted to come give you an update on the Canton Network. Don't miss out on this project. Do not miss out on this. Y'all ain't getting in on Canton Network. I don't know why not. Don't get left behind on this project. This project's going to several dollars. Mark my words. You hear it here on the channel. We're going above several dollars. It's going to go to $1, and then after that, it ain't going to be long. It's going to be $2 and $3. Once the Clarity Act's passed and banks are using this token, this Canton Network is going to go fast. It's going to move really quick. It ain't going to be Ethereum. It ain't going to be XRP. It ain't going to be a lot of other ones. This is the bank's token. And you hear it here on the channel, you're going to miss out on a very good project. So we are going to probably pull back further back in the end of the year, 2026, when we finish out bottoming out in the bear market before going back into a bull market. But I'm telling you, don't miss out on this project right here, Canton Network. So wanted to come and cover the charts with you, give you an update on it. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel. Leave us a comment about Canton Network, where you think it's headed, where it could top out at before going back into the bottom of the bear market, finding the bear market lows. It could just hover around us. We could see it pump and rally back to 15 cent holder, 14 cent holder. But I do believe it's going to go a little bit lower. But right now, I do look for a rally before we go back into another drop on Bitcoin. So, till the next time, I want to say God bless you.